Hello students, welcome in the next lecture of subject Highway Engineering. In previous lecture, we had discussed the one geometric design parameter of highway, that is a site distance, and we had discussed the reaction time. These two terms we had discussed in previous lecture. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the next term, that is curves. Now see what is a curve. The definition of curves is the geometric arc provided at the change in alignment or gradient of road is known as a curve. The curve is an geometric arc which can be provided at the alignment or change in gradient. Now, the next point is necessity of curves. What is the necessity of curves, or why curves are necessary? First necessity of the curve is excessive cutting and filling can be prevented by providing the change in alignment by curve. The excessive cutting and filling of the road can be prevented by the providing the curve to the road. Now see what is a curve. When we can change the route of road or the direction of road by providing the one turn. That turn is known as a curve. Due to curves, the excessive cutting and filling of the road is prevented. Then second necessity is the obstruction like natural or artificial which comes in the way of straight alignment can be made easier by providing the bypass with the help of curves. Means the obstruction which can be comes in the road or comes in the route is prevented by the curves. Then third is in a straight route, gradient are made more comfortable and easy by providing diversion with the help of curves. That is when any straight route, then there we can provide the curves to provide the divergence. Then next necessity is in a straight route, if costly land come in the way, then it can be avoided by providing diversion with the help of curves. That is, when the construction of a road is there, then any costly land are come in the construction, then avoid this construction on this costly land. We can provide the curve and construct the road at the side of that land. Then 5. Track or road is made stable and safe side if the hill by changing the alignment. That is, if hilly area is present, then track or road is made stable and safe by providing the curves. This is the necessity of curves. What is the first necessity of curves? Curve, or what is the definition of curve? The geometric arc which can be provided at change in alignment or gradient of road are known as a curve. Then what is the necessity of curves? First necessity is excessive cutting and filling can be prevented by providing the change in alignment by curves. The obstruction like natural or artificial which comes in the way of straight alignment or of straight road can be made easier by providing the bypass with the help of curves. In a straight route, gradients are made more comfortable and easy by providing diversion with the help of curves. Then the fourth necessity is in a straight route, if costly land comes in the way, then it can be avoided by providing diversion with the help of curves. Then the fifth necessity of curve is track or road is made stable and safe side if the hill by changing the alignment. Then the next point is function of curve in road track alignment. What is the function of curve on the road track or on the road alignment. First function is gradual change in gradient in the alignment can be made by providing the curves. That is, by providing curves, we can make the gradual change in the alignment of the road. Then the second function is gradual change in direction and orientation in the alignment can be made by providing the curves. That is, gradual change in the direction or orientation of the alignment of road can be made by providing curves. Then third function is curves are provided so as get comfort to the passenger. To get comfort to the road passenger, curves are provided at the road. Then the fourth function of curves is curves are provided so get easy turning in case of road track. To provide easy turning, the curves are provided. There is a four functions of curves. First function of curve is gradual change in gradient or in alignment can be provided by curves. Then second function of curves is gradual change in direction or orientation in the alignment can be made by providing the curves. Then third function of curve is curve are provided as so as get comfort to the road passengers. Then fourth function is curve are provided so as get easy turning in case of road tracks. Hope you all get these four functions of curves. Then next point is types of curves. After definition of curve, second point is necessity of curves. Then next is function of curves on the road track or on the road alignment. Then next point is the types of curves. Now see, there is a main two types of curves, that is a horizontal curve and vertical curves. Curves are classified into mainly two types, that is a horizontal and vertical curves. Then the horizontal curves can be classified into four types and vertical curves can be classified into two types. Now see what is the types of horizontal curves. Horizontal curves can be classified into four types. In that, first is simple curve, second is compound curve, third is reverse curve and fourth is transition curve. Then the vertical curves are classified into two types. In that, first is summit curve and second is valley curve. Now we can see these classified or this classification one by one. Now see, first type of curve is horizontal curve. Now what is the definition of horizontal curve? The curve which are provided at turning points so as to get gradual change in direction of alignment of a road or a track is termed as a horizontal curve. That is, the horizontal curve is provided at the turning point so as the gradual change in direction of alignment of a road or a track are termed as a horizontal curve. That is, horizontal curve is provided at turning point where the gradual change of alignment of the road or track is required. Note that these curves are in the horizontal plane. The horizontal curve is on the horizontal plane. Now the horizontal curve is classified into four types. Horizontal curve is classified into four types. In that, first is simple curve. The first type of horizontal curve is simple curve. Now see what is a simple curve. The curve which consists of an angle arc if a circle of two straight tangents further connects and brings about a deflection of a road through an angle theta is called as a simple curve. that is the curve consists of single arc. This is the diagram of simple curve. This consists of one single arc. This is the curve of road which have a single arc and which two straight tangents which have two straight tangents. This is a tangent T1 and tangent T2. These two tangents made an angle of deflection. This angle of deflection is theta. Tangent 1 and tangent 2 make an angle of deflection theta and join one circular arc. This curve is a simple curve. The curve which consists of single arc, if a circle of two straight tangents further connects and brings the deflection of road have an angle theta is called as a simple curve. Then the simple curve is provided at every change in alignment of the road or railway track in plain and hilly areas. That is, in plain areas or in hilly areas where the change in alignment of road is required, at that point the simple curves are provided. Simple curve is normally represented by the length of its radius or by the degree of curve. The simple curve is represented by the length of its radius or the degree of curve. That is, by it is a length of radius of arc. The simple curve is represented by this radius or the degree of curve. Hope you all get this simple curve. Then second type of horizontal curve is compound curve. Now see what is a compound curve. A curve of having a series of two or more simple curves of different radius, that is of different radius curving in the same direction is called as a compound curve. That is, the curve which consists of two or more simple curves is called as a compound curve. In compound curves, the two adjacent curves will be common tangent. That is, the compound curves have two adjacent curves have the common tangent. This is the diagram of compound curve. See, in this compound curve, there is a two simple curves for B. See the B and C point at the B and C is a common tangent and this is the one arc or one simple curve and C cursor and this is the second arc and the curve which can be consist of these two simple curves is the compound curve and it is a radius of first curve that is a R2, it is a radius of second curve that is a R1 or it is the radius of first curve that is a R1 and it is the tangent of first simple curve that is a T1, then it is the tangent of second simple curve that is a T2 and the radius of simple curve or second simple curve that is a R2 and this simple curve 1 and simple curve 2 are joined to each other and forms the compound curve. Hope you all get this compound curve. Now see, the center of two adjacent curves lie on the same side of the curves. That is, the center of two adjacent curves are lie on the same side of the curve. To avoid the cutting through hard rock, heavy cutting or filling in the alignment of road tracks, compound curves are provided. The compound curves are provided where the cutting of hard rock is required or the heavy cutting or filling in the alignment of road or track are required. Then third type of horizontal curve is reverse curve. The curve which consists of two simple curves having equal or different radii turning in opposite direction is called as a reverse curve. What is a reverse curve? The two simple curves having the equal or different radius and turning in opposite direction. That is a one simple curve is is the mirror image of second simple curve, and these two curves are joined each other. This curve is called as a reverse curve. The two center of curve are on opposite sides of the common tangent. Now see, this is a reverse curve. In that, it is a first simple curve with tangent T1 and radius R1, and second curve is opposite to the first curve or the mirror of the first curve with the radius R2 and tangent T2. This is the reverse curve. In simple, the reverse curve is the two simple curves with in the opposite direction with each other. Now see, the reverse curve are necessary on hilly rock where frequent change in direction of travel is required. The reverse curve is provided on the hilly roads where the frequent change in direction are required. Reverse curves are also necessary for crossover in station yards and in alignment of railway tracks in the hilly areas. The reverse curves are required in the crossover in station yards and alignment of railway tracks in the hilly areas. Hope you all get this reverse curve. Then the fourth type of horizontal curve is transition curve. That will be we are seeing in the next lecture. Now we can just revise these points. Now see what we had discussed in this lecture. Types of curve, or first we had discussed the curve. What is the definition of curve? The geometric arc provided at change in alignment or gradient of road is known as a curve. Then what is the necessity of curve? There is a 5 necessities of curve. First is the excessive cutting or filling is prevented by the curves. When the obstruction are on the road track, that can be bypassed by providing the curve. Then if the straight route gradient are made more comfortable and easy by providing the diversion with the help of curves. Then if the costly land is come in the construction of the roads, then this land can be avoided by the help of curves. Then track or road is made safe and stable at the hill by providing the curves and by changing the alignment of roads with the help of curves. These are the necessities of curves. Then what is the function of curves? First function is gradual change in gradient in the alignment can be made by the providing curves. Then gradual change in direction and orientation of road can be made by providing the curves. Then curves are provided to get comfort to the passengers. Then curves are provided to get easy turning in case of road track. Then after functions of curves, next point is types of curves. In that there is a two main types of curves. First is horizontal curve and vertical curve. Then the horizontal curve is classified into four types. First a simple curve, compound curve, reverse curve, transit or transition curve, and vertical curves are classified into two types, that is summit curve and valley curve. Now see what is a horizontal curve. The curve which are provided at turning point, so get gradual change in direction of alignment of road or a railway track is termed as a horizontal curve. Then horizontal curve is classified first in simple curve. The simple curve is with the one circular arc, and the tangent of this simple curve made angle theta of the angle of deflection. It is a simple curve. The curve which consists of single arc, if a circle which two straight tangent further connects and brings about a deflection of road through an angle theta is called as a simple curve. This is a simple curve. Then second, compound curve. The curve which can be consist of two simple curves is compound curve. Then next is reverse curve. The curve which consists of two simple curves but having the equal or different radius and turning into the opposite direction. That is two simple curves provided in the opposite direction is called as a reverse curve. Hope you all get these types of curves. In next lecture, we are going to see the transition curve. Hope you all get the concept of curve and the types of horizontal curve or the three types of horizontal curve. The fourth type is we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.